Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a calm and peaceful walk through Point Walter Reserve, one of the most loved riverside spots here in Perth, Western Australia. It's a place known for its beautiful views, gentle atmosphere, and a long history that stretches back thousands of years. So settle in, relax, and enjoy this quiet journey with me. Point Walter is more than just a scenic reserve, it's a place with deep cultural and historical significance. For the Noongar people, this area is known as Diandalip, and it has been an important meeting place for countless generations. The long sandbar that stretches into the Swan River is believed to be part of a dreaming story, connecting different parts of the river and symbolizing pathways used by ancestral beings. In the early 1900s, the area was developed into a holiday destination with tea rooms, picnic areas, and even a small tramway. Families would travel from all over Perth to spend the day here, swimming, relaxing, and enjoying the river breeze. Over time, the reserve has changed, but its purpose has stayed the same: a peaceful place for people to gather, rest, and enjoy the beauty of the Swan River. The water at Point Walter is incredibly clear, gently revealing the sand and stones beneath. The surface, it moved softly, with breeze. From the jetty, you can see the river stretching out in calm layers of blue and green, creating a peaceful view that feels almost timeless. The long jetty adds a beautiful perspective across the water, guiding your eyes toward the horizon and the quiet flow of the Swan River. As the sunlight reflects across the shallow water, the colors shift between soft turquoise and warm gold, making the whole area feel calm and inviting. Standing on the jetty, you can hear the gentle sound of water meeting the shore, a simple moment that captures the natural beauty of Point Walter. As we move through the reserve, you'll notice how calm and open the landscape feels. The water here is often clear and shallow, especially near the sandbar, where you can see the gentle ripples moving. Across the surface, the shoreline is dotted with stones, shells, and patches of soft sand, creating a natural texture that makes this place feel untouched and peaceful. Point Walter is also home to a variety of wildlife. You'll often see black swans gliding across the water, pelicans resting near the sandbar, seagulls and terns flying low over the river, and occasionally, dolphins passing through the deeper channels. The trees around the reserve provide shade for picnickers and shelter for birds, adding to the calm, natural atmosphere that makes this place so special. As we reach the end of the reserve, you'll notice a unique sculpture. Standing near the water, this artwork represents the connection between land, river, and community, reflecting both the natural beauty of the area and its cultural significance. Nearby, you'll find the Point Walter Cafe, a popular spot for coffee. Breakfast, a quiet meal, with views of the river. It's a peaceful place to sit and enjoy this, especially in the early morning or late afternoon. For families, there's a large playground with plenty of space for children to explore, climb, and play. The open grassed areas make perfect for picnics, gatherings, simply relaxing under the trees. And if you're visiting by car, the reserve has a large parking area, making it easy to access the beach, cafe, and walking paths without any stress. Thank you for joining me on this calm walk through Point Walter Reserve. It's a place filled with history, nature, and beauty. I hope this video helped you experience a little of that peaceful atmosphere. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps this mindful community grow naturally. I'll see you in the next video.